A 10 kg box slides along the floor for 6 meters before it comes to rest. The initial velocity of the box was 8 meters per second. What is the coefficient of friction between the box and the floor? Here is the box on the floor, which is sliding towards right. And then it slides a distance of 6 meters. Okay, the distance it slides is 6 meters. D is equal to. And then the mass of the box is equal to 10 kilograms. And then the initial velocity Vi is equal to, right here, M is equal to 10 kilograms. And then Vi is equal to 8 meters per second. And then Vf is equal to 0 because the box comes to rest. And then the distance traveled is 6 meters. Acceleration we have to find out. This is one thing. So let us find out the acceleration. So for that, what we do is we use the kinematic equation Vf square is equal to Va square plus 2AD. Here 0 square is equal to Va is 8 meters per second. So 8 square plus 2 times A times 6 meters. Therefore, negative 64 is equal to 12 Ga. Or Ga is equal to negative 64 divided by 12. That is equal to negative 5.33 meters per second square. This is the acceleration. Now, what we do is we will write the other, we complete the free body diagram. This is the weight acting vertically downwards if G is equal to mg. And then this is the normal force acting upwards. And then this is the friction acting this side. So this direction is negative. So I will put negative minus FR. Okay, let us write the y direction forces. Sigma Fy is equal to Fn minus Fg is equal to MAy. There is no motion along the y direction. Therefore, Ay is equal to 0. That implies Fn minus Fg is equal to 0 or Fn is equal to Fg. Since Fg is equal to mg, Fn is equal to mg. Okay. Now, we write the x direction forces. Sigma Fx is equal to, here, the friction is the only force acting on the system. So the friction is in the negative direction. So negative F friction is equal to MAX. Okay, but we know friction is equal to, F friction is equal to mu K Fn. And then from this we can write this as mu K mg because Fn is equal to mg. Therefore, negative mu K mg is equal to MA. Okay, X is the same. This is the A, or if you want, I will write X, otherwise I will leave it like that. Okay, mass goes off. So, mu K minus mu K is equal to A by G. Now substitute the values. Negative mu K is equal to negative 5.33 meters per second square divided by 9.8 meters per second square. This gives a value of mu K is equal to 0.54. This is the answer for this question. Okay, that's it. Hope this helps. Thank you. Bye-bye.